Right now, the crypto market is about to make a move, and most people are not ready for it because the market is waiting for one thing: liquidity. And until that liquidity comes back, nothing really moves. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are breaking down what's really happening in the market using on-chain data. No hype, no opinions, real data. Because right now Bitcoin is stuck a very clear situation, and this creates a dangerous setup. Glassnode's latest data shows one key idea. So the market is awaiting liquidity. Let's break that down in a simple terms. So right now Bitcoin is moving inside the range. I'm gonna watch you right now, guys. So as you can see here, it's like clearly inside the range, like we are just stuck between the 70 let's say the top of the that range, $75,000, and the down we can see the $68,000. So this means buyers are not strong enough to push price higher, and also sellers are also not strong enough to crash the market. So what do we get? A sideways market. Glassnode data shows that Bitcoin has been trading between key valuation levels with no clear breakout yet. This is very important because markets don't stay like this forever. They either break up or break down. So, but they don't stay stuck like forever, right? So what is the liquidity? Liquidity simple means new money entering the market. When liquidity is high, price move fast, breakouts happen, and trends start. But right now liquidity is weak. We can see this clearly. Trading volume is low, spot demand is weak, ETF flows are unstable. Big players are not aggressive. So Glassnode shows that market participation is still soft, even though conditions are slowly stabilizing. So the market is not dead, but it's also not strong. So I think the big money is waiting. So I'm gonna show you something, guys. So as you can see here, now here is the interesting part. Big investors are not fully active yet. They are watching. Why? Because they want confirmation about the global tension, about the economic crisis, about the Fed politics. Is gonna be rate cut or no? So accumulation is weak. Confidence is still low. Large players are not fully buying. In fact, previous reports showed accumulation scores below 0.5, which means low conviction in the market. So what does that mean? Smart money is waiting, retail is confused, market has no clear direction. This is exactly what happens before a big move. So I'm gonna also show you, like we have a supply and the demand area. So guys, right now there is a balance in the market, but it's not healthy balance, it's a weak balance. Glassnode data suggests there is still a lot of supply in the market, but not enough demand to absorb it. So we also saw earlier that large supply clusters form between major price zones. This creates resistance. So as you can see here, so we have the liquidity levels are the $72,000 and the upside down $68,000. So every time price go up, sellers apply, and price get rejected, momentum dies. So this is why Bitcoin keeps moving sideways. And let's talk about the sentiment, as I told you right now. So I think it's also important in the for the crypto market. So in the derivatives market, traders are still cautious. Many are hedging, some are even shorting, but at the same time, options data shows something changing. More people are starting to bet on upside. Fear is slowly decreasing. Confidence is slowly returning. So we have a mixed market, no bullish, no bearish, just waiting. So as you can look at the range, as I told you guys, the up is a $72,000 in the liquidity levels, and the upside down we have $68,000. So here's the big question: what happened next? There are only two real scenarios. Scenario 1, liquidity returns. If new money enters the market, Bitcoin break resistance, momentum returns, new trend begins, blah blah blah. Scenario 2, liquidity stays weak. If nothing changes, market stays sideways or slowly moves down. Traders lose patience, and usually the longer the market waits, the bigger the next move. So right now the market is simple. It's not about hype, it's not about news, it's about one thing: liquidity. Until liquidity comes back, the market will keep waiting, and the smart money, they are waiting too. Because guys, so if we return the Bitcoin chart, so as you can see, we have just one real move. It was a last month. We have just one real move. It was a last month, which is we touched to $60,000. But after that, we are like really weak range. We are still touching the $70,000. We are also reaching the 64, 68 key. So, but to be honest, it's not a like strong market. There is no liquidity. I mean, look at these volume bars. They're like dying. So right now, everyone is waiting. So if you like the content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.